I have a really wonderful human being in my life. She is an anointed hugger. Anointed. Who sells Mary Kay. And one thing she gonna do is send me some samples. And I said, you know what? I'm experiencing a blemish. I'm going to try one of those samples. She sent me a sample of Clear Proof Deep Cleansing Charcoal Mask. It's a part of the Clear Complexion Your Way section in the catalog, page 12. Okay, so I'm just gonna, let's see what she do. I like to warm my little pouches up. You know, we don't know how long they've been sitting, so always make sure you massage your product around, okay? Said 3 out of 4 people said they would switch to Clear Proof Acne System. So they said it clears the pimples faster than their previous regimen. And I believe them, because these companies don't survive with their products not working, okay? If their products weren't doing their job, people would not continue to purchase. This mask is $26. So she cost some coin. And look, ooh, I love the smell. It smells like eucalyptus. Ooh, I really like the smell of it. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm not gonna hold you. I love triple action charcoal mask. Acts like a magnet to deep clean pores. That's what we need right now, a magnet. I love, first of all, I used to work out at Equinox. If you work out at Equinox, you get addicted to the smell of eucalyptus. It just happens. Okay. Ooh, I really like this mask. Okay. Feels very good on the skin. Smells so fresh. Smells like a spa. Okay. I appreciate that additional like sensory experience, because, you know, fragrance free is, you know, kind of the theme around here, but having that fresh eucalyptus just reminded me fragrance free may not always be what I want. Put that right here. Get it in these pores, these enlarged pores, these blemish prone areas. Okay, I'm gonna come back. We're gonna dry and then we're gonna come back. The mask has been on for about 3 minutes. It's drying quickly. I don't feel like it's like sucking the life out of my skin. It feels like it is doing what it is designed to do, which is deep pore cleansing. Now listen, I don't know who your Mary Kay person is, but this is my Mary Kay person. Ain't she cute? Look at her. Look at her. Okay, Mona is adorable, an anointed hugger. Okay, I don't know if this is helpful to you, but pause to read. I consider myself an over-the-counter skincare connoisseur, okay? I know what the brands are doing. I know what the active ingredients are. I know which ones work best. I know the price point. I know the textures. I know which ones are non-comedogenic. I know a lot about a lot of brands. And I know most brands don't have me on a mailing list and take the time to have an independent consultant from their company reach out to me and send me products based on my skin quiz, based on my skin concerns. And that is one thing that Mary Kay is going to do. That is why Mary Kay has been around for so long, because there are individual human beings who call you on the phone, text you, email you, put you in Facebook groups, keep you constantly notified about new product releases. Honey, this is a sample of the Clear Proof Deep Pore Cleansing Mask, the charcoal mask by Mary Kay. I can't get this over the counter. I would have forgotten. But because I got my foot soldier, I got my independent. Listen, Mary Kay has Clear Proof. Clear Proof, according to their catalog, which, listen, I'm a tangible girl. I like to feel pages, okay? So, Clear Proof, it says 3 out of 4 people, that's 75% of the people, they said that they would switch to the Clear Proof Acne System because they said it clears up pimples faster than their previous regimen. This is what I'm saying. This is the information I like to have. Now, Mary Kay, you do not go without any criticism, because listen to me. I done went through the whole book, okay? I done went through all the books, all the mascaras, all the everything. And I got to this page back here and almost threw this thing out the window. What do you want me to do with all this information on two pages? How am am I supposed to discern anything? I mean, I guess if I'm confused, I'm supposed to call my consultant, Mona, okay, the anointed hugger, okay? I'm supposed to call my, but I want to be confident in my decision making, and this is challenging. As a girl who consumes and loves a catalog, goes in store, this is challenging. So y'all got to get the user experience right on this, okay? That's all I'm going to say about that. Does it change anything about this mask? Not at all. I have tried Korean skincare charcoal masks. I have tried American brands. I've tried probably 6 different brands of charcoal masks. This is my favorite, and it's not even off my face yet. So good on you for that. Good on Clear Proof for that. Clear Proof did their big one. Clear Proof did their big one, and I can't wait to rinse it off. 60 years of impact, more than 1 million trees planted, more than $200 million donated by Mary Kay Inc. and the Mary Kay Ash Foundation. I also got additional samples. Here is a 30 mineral facial sunscreen. You know I'm going to try that. I got Time Wash. Now listen, my person knows me. I need more than one try. This is their microdermabrasion product. I got 2 of these. This is their pore minimizing serum. I got 2 of these. I also have their Time Wise Day Defender, another SPF 30, which I will be trying and sharing with you. I have their Time Wise 4-in-1 cleanser. Yes, definitely going to try that. Their antioxidant moisturizer, their nighttime recovery. Yeah, so I'm super excited to be back in the saddle with a day-old brand that we all know and love.